If you're into photography, whether it is a hobby or a full-time job, you may have found yourself in the following situation. A vacation, a holiday with friends or family or your partner, and you're the only one with the camera, which probably is a very expensive camera. And since all the others have smartphones, they ask you to take pictures. You won't let others touch your camera. Pictures of a bird, of a funny-looking rock, pictures you don't care about. Yet, you won't let others touch your camera, so you do take those pictures. You, the artist, the professional, the Vivian Mayer or Margaret Bourke-White of your generation. You take those pictures because you want to protect your camera from others. And if you do want to protect your camera, this video is for you. And I'm your uncle. MegaGear makes camera bags and cases. Very good-looking camera bags. Now, on a wedding or a ceremony and you're a photographer, of course you want to take one of those huge backpacks that have enough room for 2 camera bodies and many lenses and accessories, etc. But on vacation, or if you're into what's called today street photography, well, the kind of gear that you want to have with you must be small, compact, easy to carry. It doesn't have to get in the way. My first experience with MegaGear was with this little leather case which I bought for the Sony RX100 Mark III, the good one. And it's very well made, so I enjoyed it, I liked it. And then I found myself in need for a new case for my Fujifilm X-T3. I wanted something at that level of quality, and I went on their website and found that they made a beautiful case. This one. This is again a all leather case tailored on the X-T3, but we will talk about that later. Now, as I was saying, what we call street photography is simply a way to describe a photographer with a camera on himself all the time, wandering around the city or events, wherever, and simply chasing the moment, chasing the picture. You probably need something different from a bag, a full bag. Let me show it to you now. This is a camera bag. Classic, not expensive, very well made. It's made out of nylon and it contains all of it. So it's a one package, all-in-one package solution to carry your camera, your lenses. Let me show you. This is my old DSLR. I have some filters up here, a strap, a video lens, another lens, and another lens attached to the body. And also, a camera I didn't know I had. Cool. A camera bag that says camera bag, in case you, and also batteries, SD cards, it's all in here. It's very convenient. It's also very, very heavy. Now you can see why I went the other way. With a case like this, you can have your camera with you all the time in your bag if you need it, ready to shoot. And if you're on vacation, it's even more convenient. And aside from being very well made and durable, we'll get into that, they're also quite good looking, I have to admit that. This vintage look is, I don't know, I like it. Well, it's not as vintage as, this looks vintage as well. But it doesn't look vintage, it is vintage. 100 years old almost. And you see, I like this style. Okay, not as vintage as those, but pretty good looking. The easiest way to show you how the case protects the camera is to open it and show you that these 3 little buttons down here, they are the ones that keep the case in place when you're not using the camera. Then you simply slide the camera out of the case and you're ready to shoot. But there's another part, this half, the bottom part here, that stays on the camera all the time. Now you tell me, but I like the leather here and the fact that it stays on the camera because, now you should know this, my hands are quite large and these mirrorless cameras are getting smaller and smaller. So this grip here is quite comfortable, I like it, and it also smells like leather now. The camera smells like leather when I have it close to my face when I'm shooting. If you don't like that kind of smell, this is not for you. I like it. To put the camera back in, just open the case. Let the lens in first, and yeah, it's done. It's quick enough for me. There are probably better options out there if you want to go like Clint Eastwood with your camera, but it's good, it's fast. Now the quality. Inside, the case is very soft. It won't scratch the camera at all. It's padded and feels like velvet. The outside is all leather. The stitching is black, just like the leather. And there's a small logo, the MegaGear logo here. Small enough and visible enough. Now, this cup here protects the viewfinder on the camera, and it's very, very rigid. I like the fact that the camera and the 18-55, in this case, this is the kit lens, I have it on because I'm thinking that if you're into Fujifilm, you probably have this lens. Maybe this is your first lens, and yes, it'll fit in this case. Now, if you have another Fujifilm model, I'm thinking about the X-T2, the X Pro 1 or 2, or the X-T4, keep in mind that MegaGear tailors these cases for the cameras. Each camera has its own case. Check their website, I'll leave you a link in the description, of course, to see if they make a case for your specific model. Now, speaking of brands, they make all kinds of cases for all the most famous brands, camera brands. So Olympus, Canon, Sony, Fujifilm, of course, Nikon, Panasonic, and some more. So I'm sure you will find the right case for you. In this case, it fits the Xt3 perfectly, 100%. Even the battery compartment here can be accessed without removing the bottom part. There's this little, you see? That's very nice. It's a nice touch. I also love the fact that you can leave your neck strap or wrist strap, if you're a wrist strap photographer, attached. You don't have to remove it. You can have it around your neck, and the camera will still be safe in a case. And if you're wondering where do I put all the accessories, batteries and SD cards, I bought on Amazon one of these little hard cases. I have two. One is for the Sony ZV-1, the video camera. Another one I use for the accessories, my Fuji. So this stays in my backpack when I'm around town or on vacation, and I rarely use it, but if I need, for example, a couple of batteries, the flash, which is a very small unit, but it works. The charger, the USB cable, and another USB to USB-C cable to attach the camera to my computer. All the accessories are in here, and it's very convenient because I don't have to carry this with me. I can even leave it in the car and just take the camera with me. It's very small, very cheap case. This one is not expensive at all. And speaking of price, the case for the Xt3 is not expensive, somewhere around $40 to $50 or 40 euros. For this level of quality, that padding, which I'll tell you again, it's not as padded as the camera bag I showed you before, but it's okay to me. I don't think the camera will suffer any damage. The fact that the leather seems very thick, yet it's not stiff, which could be a problem when you have to take the camera out of the case. The fact that you still have access to the SD cards compartment, and on the other side, all the USB HDMI slots, so you can charge the camera when it's in its case. This is very convenient. I love it when I'm traveling. This is the case I want to have with me. I will probably buy more cases from this brand for the other cameras, although I'm mostly shooting Fuji these days. Now, does it make the camera heavy? No, but it's not nylon. This is all leather. It's built, very well built, and so yes, it could be a little on the heavy side. But again, I don't carry the camera and the case around my neck. I keep the camera in a bag, and then I just pop the two buttons, extract the camera, and I'm ready to shoot. But yes, it could add some weight. The Xt3 plus the 18-55 and the case, we are somewhere around 1 kilo, which is not much if you think that the Leica itself, this Leica I showed you before, just for the pleasure of showing it off, is probably 10 kilos itself. Well, not 10 kilos, I'm exaggerating. What I just said has no meaning at all. But anyway, the MegaGear Xt3 camera case, quality, real quality. I wasn't expecting this level of quality. Of course, leather can scratch, although leather, when scratched, it looks better sometimes. And here it is, the MegaGear's leather case, in this case for my Fujifilm Xt3. Make sure you check the description box. I'll leave you some information. Comment, subscribe if you like. Thank you for watching. I'm your uncle.